This is the 2019 Kia Sedona LX+. It has just over 68,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have your 3.3 liter V6 engine putting out 276 horsepower and has 248 pound-feet of torque. And on the interior you have your power mirrors, which are also power folding, power locks, and power windows. You also have storage along the middle and bottom of the door. And over here you have your power driver seat controls with lumbar support, and your interior seating is a light gray cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. And this vehicle is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 68,463 kilometers. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. And over here you have your dimming buttons for your gauges, your traction control button, and your gas cap release button. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your display by the gauges, as well as your cruise controls. In the middle here, you have your AM/FM radio, satellite radio, USB, and auxiliary in, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do have your backup camera with your rear parking sensors. Down here you have your climate controls for the front and rear. You have your USB port and auxiliary in, as well as wireless charging. And this is an automatic transmission. You also have your heated driver and passenger seating, as well as a heated steering wheel, eco drive mode button, and your rear parking sensor on and off button. And in the center console, lots of storage with another power outlet there. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. And up on top, you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with your built-in garage door opener. And up top here are your buttons for your power sliding doors and your power liftgate. And on the exterior, you have your Firestone tires on 17-inch alloy rims by Kia. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You do have intelligent access on the front driver and passenger door handles, your rear privacy glass. You also have your dual power sliding doors, your Sedona badge, as well as your LX trim badge. And this vehicle does feature a power liftgate. So if you just hold down the button on the key fob, it'll open right up for you. Lots of cargo space here in the back. You do get your third row, which does fold down for extra storage. And in here, you have all your tools to change your spare tire. And again, this vehicle does feature your dual power sliding doors, which you can open via the door handle or the key fob. So if you do it by the fob, just hold down the button and it'll open right up for you. Lots of legroom here in the back. You do have storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. Cup holders and storage there, as well as additional storage there. You do have your power windows on the left and right hand sides, as well as your pull-up sunshades. You do have your bench seat in the second row as well as third row. And to access your third row seating, you can pull on the lever there. Your second row will move forward, and then you have access to your third row seating, which, as you can see, is also in great condition. So that is the 2019 Kia Sedona LX+. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.